Yeah, yung tinitreaten ni is Mark Oleta, sorry, Sir Tas, there are two justices here. Is Mark Oleta considered a legal luminary? In the calibers of lawyers, where does he fall, Justice?
He belongs to the lowest rank.
Ay, kasama niya si Juan. Kasama niya si Atty.
Topacio.
Topacio.
Ranko na Topacio yan.
Si Jimmy Bondok.
Hard guns.
Hard guns. Jimmy Bondok. Saan si Jimmy Bondok? Sa legal luminary.
Hindi nga siya kilala.
Hindi like who? Like, Justice Ascuna, like, you familiar with Mark Oleta's litigation, history? Is he a good lawyer? Is he a legal mind? Fine legal mind, Mark Oleta? He acts like one.
I think Marcoleta is still hasn't reached his summit yet.
That's a very, gusto ko yung mga ganun
Yun ang tawag doon, understatement.
Parang may room for improvement, ganun.
Pero,
Yes.
Justices,
Oh my God, apat pa rin
ICI.
sa amin pala yan.
Nagkakagulo na. Nag-resign na si Juan, si Magalong, no? Tapos
Ayun,
binabanatan
ICI.
si Andy Reyes na masyadong differential now.